Ouch! Oh god, sorry guys, I don't even know why I'm laughing, but it's good to be back. It's good to be back. Who else saw this? Like, who saw this stop loss? Like, it was crazy. This week was a very crazy week. Okay, what is good? What's up, guys? It's Walt here once again in your screens, and I'm here to tell you guys how my day went. And then, before I let you guys know how my week went, I said my week. If I let you guys know how my week went, I need to update you guys on a little change. You know, I said I'm going to be posting 2 videos every week. One is going to be my outlook videos, and one is going to be my my weekly videos, how my past week went. Yes. So some of you guys DM'd me in the comment section, and you were like, no, that 2 videos is too much, that I should just put it in one video. And I actually thought about it, and I'm like, okay, yes, that's what I'm going to do. So guys, welcome. I am going to be posting only 1 video every week, and then it's also going to help me because I'm going to take my time to properly edit the video and do what I'm supposed to do in it. So why not sit back and enjoy? This video is going to contain both my outlook and how my previous week went. Now let's go straight to it. This week started somewhere around here. Last week started somewhere around here. Yes, good, on this candle. Now once this candle started, I was expecting 2 things here. Like I told you guys last week that I was expecting the market to pull back and drop. Yes, because I was looking at it that, okay, what are the chances of it pushing up just straight up from here before pulling back and going above? What are the chances of it doing that? Because of after what it has done here. And if you want to understand what I said here, go to my previous video. I'm going to put the link in the description, because once market was kept on breaking lows and breaking highs, I felt like, okay, maybe the chances of it doing it again is very rare. But then market still shocked me, and it still did it again. Although I was not shocked, because one thing about trading is it's good to have a bias when you're approaching the market. Yes, you must have a bias when you're approaching the market. However, you're not supposed to be so rigid to your bias. Like, let's say you're saying the market must sell, and then once you don't see it actually selling, you're still sticking to it, and you're like, it must sell. There has to be a place where the market will go across or below and your bias changes. Like in this case now, I showed you guys this level, this high here, and I was saying that, okay, if the market should cross above it, then I'll be buying. However, if you observe, once the market was below it, I sold, and it gave me a signal. Actually, I sold. So in this week, when the market kept on doing this, like kept on moving high up like this, I was just sitting on my hands basically, because I didn't really see any movement. If you observe, the candles were just rejecting the downside, and they kept on going up. Now this was where I entered this week. I got in on a trade right here on Friday. I saw this candle, this particular candle. It was a full body candle right here, down like this, coming down. I saw the candle and I was like, okay, we might be getting our first trade for the week right here. So I saw this candle and I was like, okay, we might be getting our first trade for the week right there. And I think I sent it to my Telegram channel. Yes, I did. And by the way, if you've not joined the Telegram channel, please join, because I'm going to be sending my updates as they play out, my trades as they play out within the week. So just do well to join. Now this is it right here. This is it right here. This was a trade. I was expecting it to drop from there. After selling down a little, I was expecting, okay, since it has taken away some structures, there's a chance that it might drop, and maybe we might close somewhere around here for the week. But as we can see what market did, and then when it also hit my stop loss, I also sent it to the group. Okay, SL hits, no time for break even. It didn't even give me a chance to break even on the trade. So that's trading. That's the business. So moving into this week, Oh, my network, okay, so my network went out there, but anyway, we are back. It didn't give us even a chance to like break even. Immediately we got in on this candle. Actually, we had our stop loss above the high of this sell candle, the candle we saw selling. You know how I do it. And then immediately after this 4 hour finished, the next 4 hour candle went straight up and took us out. So that was how last week played out. So let me just clear my chart real quick so we can talk about this week we're entering. Oh no, let me bring that back. Oh guys, this is why I didn't record yesterday. The network is crazy. Okay, so let's get into how next week is gonna be. Let's look at next week. So let me clear this real quick. Okay, good. So this week, this is my high right here. Although that candle has not started retracing, but then that's my high, and this is my low because it took out this previous high. So you guys already know the vibes. I am looking for a pullback. No matter how little it is, but let it just qualify as my pullback criteria and a continuation. Or same way market did last week, it might just come from here directly, break up structure again, or change of character, whatever you guys want to call it, and continuation, or maybe even push over. But let's just see how it goes, and join my Telegram channel because that is where I am going to be dropping the updates as they play out. So whenever I'm buying, I'm going to drop it there. Whenever I'm selling, I'm going to drop it there. And guys, that is all. See you next week. And sorry if you've not subscribed or you're just coming across my channel for the first time. I am Walt, and this is where I document my trades, I document my trading journey. Okay, bye.